Gear up for a wide range of jobs with the Dewalt 20V Max Lithium-Ion Cordless 5-Tool Combo Kit. Using the 6.5-inch circular saw with carbide tip blade, slice through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. The reciprocating saw features a keyless clamp, so you can easily switch applications without touching the blade's sharp edge or the reciprocating shaft. With a patented 3-speed transmission delivering up to 535 unit watts out, the half-inch hammer drill quickly takes you from precision fastening to a huge array of drilling tasks. The 1/4-inch impact driver will help you power through tough or extended fastening jobs. And the included LED work light has a pivoting head to shed an added 110 lumens right where you need it. And when it's time to pack up, the contractor bag will keep it all together. For a versatile set of powerful cordless tools, choose the Dewalt 20V Max Lithium-Ion Combo Kit.